Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you is your phone tracking you. Fix these hidden settings now. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Your iPhone can determine your location accurately even if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned off from control center because the system uses other location services in the background. And stranger, there are settings that let companies know exactly where you are moment by moment. So in order to turn it off, what you can do is first Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tracking. This iPhone uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals to determine your location even if both are turned off. That makes your location get locked in the background without you noticing. The fix is go over to the settings, then scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. Inside privacy and security, select location services, and once inside location services, scroll down and then tap on system services. Then turn off networking and wireless, which is an option right here, and also significant locations as well by simply scrolling down, selecting significant locations and route, and then simply toggling this switch off. Now the iPhone won't be able to determine your location from nearby signals. Second, DNS leak. When you visit a site, the iPhone asks where is that server by DNS, but sometimes that request leaks outside the web, which means your ISP can still see every site you visit. To fix it, open up settings, then select Wi-Fi. Inside Wi-Fi, select the I button next to the network, and then choose Configure DNS by simply scrolling down, and here you find the option that says Configure DNS. Now set it to manual, write 1.1.11, then tap on Save at the top right, or download the 1.1.1 app from the App Store and enable Wi-Fi. Now all your internet queries will be encrypted and no one will know what you are visiting. Third, browser fingerprinting. Every site you visit collects very detailed info about you, device type, fonts, language, screen size, even system settings. When it aggregates all that info, it can identify your personnel even if you switch browsers or clear cookies. So practical fixes: if you use Safari, know that it doesn't provide strong protection against fingerprinting. So it's better to use a browser with advanced protection like Brave browser. Then inside your browser, what you need to do is tap on three-dot icon on the bottom, then open up settings, and here what you need to do is open seal and privacy and enable all protections, especially fingerprinting blocking, which is right here. And this particular browser has a very important video coming up. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. If you like, if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.